The following portion of Studio 512 is sponsored by Central Texas Clinical Research. Type 2 diabetes and obesity are common ailments that go hand in hand for many Americans. Dr. Cynthia Brinson is the medical director, principal investigator, and president of Central Texas Clinical Research, and she's here to talk to us about a study that aims to find effective treatment options. So, Dr. Brinson, why is clinical research in type 2 diabetes and obesity so important for our community?
Well, it's so important because in our community, we do have a lot of patients or people with diabetes who are also struggling with being overweight or obesity. And these two diseases, well, the obesity really contributes to the diabetes and really contributes to the risk of diabetes.
What does that look like for someone to participate in one of these clinical research studies that you offer?
Well, you would have to qualify,
Okay.
and the qualifying things will be on the website, but also you have to have diabetes and you have to be overweight, which is, over about a BMI of 28 or so. You have to be on a stable medication for diabetes for the last 3 months or so, and your hemoglobin A1C, if you're a diabetic, you know what that means, has to be between 7 and 11 to qualify.
So doctor, can you tell me a little bit about how your clinical trials work, or maybe what you're proud of to really kind of get people excited for the trials they'll be facing here?
We are a small company. It's just really me and 5 or 6 other people that help me. We have an individual research coordinator who would work with the individual, and that person will be your coordinator for as long as the study goes on. This is a very long study. This is a 72-week study.
Wow.
So you will be losing weight. And I choose the clinical trials that we take. So I make sure I choose trials that will work. I don't choose trials just for the heck of it. I have to be confident that it won't cause any problems for the patient and that it will be a great benefit to the city of Austin.
Doctor, in closing here, final question for you. Why should someone consider participating in one of these clinical trials for either obesity or diabetes?
We are, and it's been a long time since you've been able to have someone that you could really talk to about your issues and your disease, who will give you advice, who will give you nutrition advice that you could trust and pay you to do it. So
I love that. Yeah, trusting and changing your health, right? It makes a world of difference, or really could save a life. So this is incredible, doctor. Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Learn more about the Type 2 Diabetes and Obesity Study and other studies at ctcrcorp.com. The preceding portion of Studio 512 was sponsored by Central Texas Clinical Research.